So here we learn together how to make our JavaScript inside or to put it on the HTML. Okay, let's start together. Okay, we have this our index HTML. Okay, how to use JavaScript. Okay, now I will make a small comment here to understand more and more. We have three types to use JavaScript in HTML. Okay, like so. I will make it as a command. Okay. First of all, we can mention the internal or inline script. Second, we can mention the internal script.js, like so. I will make it as a command to memorize more and more. Okay. Third one is the external script JavaScript. Okay, we learn together what is the difference between them and how to use them inside our index.html. Okay, let's start by the inline script. Okay, first of all, we will add a button here. Okay, for example, you can right click me like this. Okay, if you want, we can add the extension live server like so. We can click live server and add install it. I am already installed it. Okay, I can use it now. Now right click to index.html and go to open with live server. Okay, it's opened successfully. This is our page. This is our button. Good job. Okay, let's return to our code to understand more and more. Now, if you want, we can add a small click. On click is an event. Okay, can make a small alert. When we click on click me, we should show this alert on the screen. Okay, let's see together. Okay, we click, we have alerts as an alert. Okay, congratulations. Okay, now if you want, we can use the internal script. Okay, we can remove this on click, and then if you want, we can use this script on the head. Generally, we use this script to put our JavaScript code inside the HTML. Okay, let's do it here. We have a const btn. Does it mean button? Document dot query selector in order to select the button. Okay, to fire an event. Okay. Now we have this button. We can make, for example, this button dot add the event listener. Does it mean when we click, the event listener is the click on the button? Okay, we'll fire this method if you want. Okay, it's so simple. When we click, we should see or we should show or display this alert in our screen. Okay, don't worry, we will explain more and more in next videos. Okay, hello from internal script. Can save and see together. Okay, now if you click, we haven't anything. Okay, because when we fire this button, we haven't this button because it is on the bottom of the script. Okay, so we should make the script under the button because it read line by line. Okay, now if you click me, okay, congratulations, hello from internal script works successfully. Okay, good job. Okay, now if you want, we can use the external script. Okay, we can create a file index.js if you want, like so. Okay, we can copy paste the code inside this new file index.js. Okay, you can save here. Good, can save also. Okay, can make a small test. Click me. Okay, nothing. Okay, now we have to add the source, which is the code inside the index.js. Okay, we can add the source here, which is the index.js. Okay, good job. Save and see together. Click me. Hello from internal script. Say external script, sorry. Okay, good job. I hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I hope that you understand more and more the JavaScript. We have several things to understand on next videos, and I will see you next video.